Today we're going to do a quick run-through of PDF XChange Editor, which is the program we recommend to agents who are using a PC to edit and read PDFs. If it's set to your default PDF viewer, then when you open a document, it's going to open up in that program. I'm using the free version, but we highly recommend you get the Pro version. It's one of the most competitively priced products we've come across, and well worth the investment. First, I'm going to show you some of the most used features of the program. Up here, you can select the Strikeout tool and highlight anything you need to cross out in order to strike through it. For example, I might want to change this price, so I'll need to cross it out first. If I wanted to put in a new price, I can create a text box and type the new price in right here. And if I needed to add new initials for the change, I could go up here, select the line tool, and make a cross for the changes to be signed off. You can already see how straightforward it is to access all the tools up here for marking up your document. Now, another important feature is the ability to extract pages. So for instance, if I wanted to put this first page in a new document, I could go to Extract Pages and I would get a pop-up screen. I'm going to select Current Page, although if you had a multi-page document, you could give it any page number or a range. It automatically opens up a new tab with the selected page in a separate PDF that you can then save. The page is also still in the first PDF, so if you needed to delete it, you'd have to get the Pro account. If you right-click on the thumbnail, you can actually see that some of the features like delete pages, crop pages, resize pages are only available on Pro. We definitely think these features make a Pro account worth it. If you need to move around the pages in your document, you can simply drag and drop the thumbnails to rearrange them in a new order. If you made a mistake, you can drag them back as well. Occasionally you may receive a PDF that is sideways, which is very common. So you can temporarily fix that by changing your view with these buttons up here. It will make the document easier to read, however, it won't permanently change the rotation. If I were to send this document out to a client right now, it would still send them a sideways PDF. To permanently change the rotation, you would need to click this button here, and that is also a Pro option only. The final feature that is also only available in Pro, the one that we think really makes the whole program worth it, is the ability to insert pages into your document. When people send you multiple documents full of pages, it's extremely useful to be able to merge those PDFs into one document. That feature alone makes working with client documents so much faster and easier. Remember, a good PDF reader and editor is absolutely essential if you want to be paperless in your real estate business.